everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to unbox my new 4x4 Rubik's Cube. Its name is Yuxin Black Kylin 4x4 plus one more item. What is the item? That's a surprise. Let's unbox it. I have a scissor with me, and so let's start it. So I can start with this. Let us cut it. Okay. I have ordered it from Cubelelo. Let's cut this one. And then this one. Let's cut it. What's happening? Yeah. Cut it. Now this one. Yes. And finally this. Okay. So we have opened our box. Okay. Now let's see what is present in it. Okay. So this is nothing. Okay. So it's a good cube pouch from Cubelelo, black color. It's good enough. So let's keep in the side and take now. This is the bill. Nothing is there, and it is the card from Cubelelo. Okay. So now here is our main cube. It is the Yuxin Black Kylin 4x4. Let's see how is it. Okay, so let's open it. Wow, it's too shiny, and it is my second 4x4 Rubik's Cube. It is too slippery, but sometimes it is not moving properly. Let's see how is its corner cutting. Let's see. Okay, it's have a good corner cut. Okay, let's see the reverse corner cut here. Little bit problem, but it would be easy sometime. Okay, now let us move the upper two layers. Okay, it's very slippery and it is too lubed. Let's see one more thing. Okay, good enough. I'm moving properly only, but sometimes I am feeling uncomfortable, but it is good anyway. Let us see one more thing. Okay, so let's so this was the Yuxin Black Kylin. So now I am keeping it in the box again, right back to here. Okay, and now this was the thing that I ordered extra, and it is the lube. It is the velocity. That is velocity lubricant. So let's open it. Okay, so let's open it. Let's try to open from here. Okay, yeah. And let me open it. Okay, so here it is. So this is the velocity lube. Just look how beautiful is this. So this is the lube, velocity lubricant. For any kind of slipperiness, we can use this one. It is the Cubelelo velocity, and it is too light lubricant. So this is enough for today, and in my next video I'll upload some more videos about the 3x3 tutorials. So is enough for today. And if you like my videos, then please like and subscribe to my channel for getting all kind of information and notification. And also click on the bell notification. Thanks for watching.